Today we are going to attempt DIY TCA Cross with 100% TCA that I got. This is a 4 ml sample size. I ordered offline months ago. I have a few other videos posted on my channel. If you check it out, you'll see them. It has been 4 weeks since my last DIY treatment. Also, one more thing just to get the disclaimer out of the way. This video is for educational purposes only. This is my own personal experience, my own personal experiment. I do not advise that you try this yourself unless you do your research first. And furthermore, you can watch my video and see if I mess it up. Now, just in case you didn't know, TCA Cross is a highly effective method of eliminating acne scars. It can be dangerous, and you want to have it done typically by a trained professional, especially if you're not confident or you don't know exactly what you're doing, or if you're just bold like me and you want to try it anyway, then go ahead, by all means proceed, but do your research first. I'm going to teach you what I know and exactly what I've learned, but please do your due diligence. All right, now that all the introduction nonsense is over, let's get into it. First and foremost, you are going to need TCA. And what I have here is 100% TCA acid, chlorosidic acid. I don't even know if I was close. I got this from Repair Skincare for about 20 bucks. I'll also put a link in the description. I don't make any money off of it. It's not like a promotional link or anything like that. I wish I made money off of it, but no, I don't make any money off of it. I just found it cheap there. I think shipping was free, and it is a sample size, and this is more than adequate for multiple chemical peels. I have done 1 cross treatment with this so far, and I've also done 2 or 3 peels with it, and look, there's barely any missing. This stuff is extraordinarily strong, incredibly strong, scary strong. Okay, be exceptionally careful if you order this. This stuff scares me. It scares me. I have glycolic acid, and that doesn't even compare. Other chemical peels I've tried don't even compare. This stuff is strong. This stuff will burn you. You need to dilute it. You need to do your research and make sure you know what you're messing with here. Also, what helps? Tattoo numbing cream. I have this. You can get lidocaine numbing cream if you're really sensitive, especially to pain. This stuff can be painful. It can burn. That can really scare you. So wouldn't be a bad idea to get some of this. Put it on beforehand. I have Dawn dish soap to clean my face beforehand. Really good at breaking down greases and oils. Yeah, it's not the best to use dish soap on your face, but hey, it'll clean it up and get all the greases, oils, dirt off there, and that is what is really important. Also, what's really important is eye protection. If you get this TCA acid in your eyes, you're going to the ER. It will do significant damage. We are talking about a highly corrosive acid here. Rubbing alcohol, also you can use this instead of Dawn dish soap or whatever you have to clean your face before you do the treatment. Rubbing alcohol works great. I have a couple little cups to mix my TCA. I'm going to dilute it, and I'm going to use these for that. I also have an actual dropper that I'll probably use instead of the syringe, but I have the syringe just in case I need it. I have a timer just in case I want to neutralize the TCA after 2 minutes or 1 minute. As far as the research I've done on that, and when it comes to neutralizing, that's a whole nother animal. Some sources say it's self-neutralizing, and then some say it's not. Some say it needs to be neutralized. So I neutralize it just in case. What you will need to neutralize it is baking soda. Baking soda works very well. Just mix a little bit with water, and what I'll do is I'll apply that to my face immediately after I'm done with the TCA treatment. Toothpick. I didn't have one, so I just whittled one. But yeah, toothpick works very well. Also, you can apply this with a syringe if you want to. It's your choice. I'm going to start by washing my face on dish soap. Alright, I'm going to try to show you my acne scars with a flashlight. So we've got quite a few of them. Okay, water, just regular tap water right here. And I've got my TCA, my little clear cup, my dropper, which I'm going to use to dilute the TCA before I use it. It's a good habit to have. I'm literally going to take drops as I put them in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll go 6. I like even numbers. 6. Thinking I'm going to dilute this up to about 50%. Alright, so I'm going to put 6 drops of water in there. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do 4 drops of water, 6 drops of TCA. These are big drops of water, so it's probably really more diluted down to 50%. And I'm going to mix it up. Okay, I got a big long scar up here. I'm going to hit this one first. So the really wide scars, what we are going to do is try to go around the outside perimeter of them. Okay? I got to do this in my mirror though. I can't do it in the phone. We're just starting the right side. See, I hope you can see the frosting, and I'm just putting it in each individual little scar. I don't think I'm going to neutralize it. I think I'm just going to let it self-neutralize. Alright, we are on to the left side now. I still have marks from the last TCA treatment. See these red spots? That's hyperpigmentation from the last treatment. I hope that goes away. I had severe sun exposure. I had to work out in the sun immediately after I did the treatment. Mixed up more TCA and diluted it. I think I did 7 drops of TCA this time because I wanted it to be a little stronger, and into 3 drops of water. We'll see if that helps any. And on the bigger scars, going around the outside perimeter and working my way in. Alright friends, that wraps it up. I did the best I could. It's so hard to see them. It's so hard to see them. And, as you can see, some of them are frosting. The best technique I found, really, for seeing scars was to take my flashlight and to hold it directly to the surface of my face. And I still didn't get them all, but I got a good majority, I think. And neutralize. I am going to rinse my face and wash it with cold water here in a minute, but that's about it. So as far as aftercare, try to keep a moisturizer on your face. Vaseline, something that doesn't break you out. Also aloe vera, that's what I'm using. I have this stuff here. Really cheap on Amazon. It's Korean, 93%. I don't have any affiliate links or anything like that, so I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'll post a link in the description on exactly where I got the TCA that I used for this. Remember, I used about 7 drops of TCA and 3 to 4 drops of water. I think I diluted it down to about 50% potency, and I did not neutralize it this time, but I'm about to. It has been sitting on my face for more than an hour. This is going to stay white for up to 3 days. In my case, the last time it only stayed white for like 12 hours. By the next day it started scabbing up. Do not pick your scabs. Leave your scabs there. That is how the magic happens, underneath the scabs. Keep your skin hydrated, keep it moisturized. Use sunscreen. If you go out into the sun, use sunscreen SPF 30 or higher. I use SPF 100 for post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. You can use bleaching cream, look that up. That's on Amazon. I'm going to be using that too. I'm not going to restart my retinol treatment probably for 3 or 4 days, and then I'm going to resume my retinol, my tazarotene 0.1, which is the strongest prescription retinol you can get. Yeah, I think that just about covers everything. I got quite a bit. We'll see what happens. I'm going to be looking like a meth head in the next couple of days, next few days. These scabs, my face will look like shit for about 5 days as far as bright red scabs all over my face, and I'm going to have to walk around in public like that, but that's okay because we are doing this for the long-term result. Letting go of what people think will get you so far in this life. If you can let go of caring what people think, you can get so much more done. People ask me, some get bold enough to ask me, like, what's wrong with your face? Well, I put toxic acid on there to try and take away my acne scars. Oh, okay. And then they're cool about it. A couple people ask me, my close friends, stuff like that, but most people don't even say anything, which I'd rather they ask, but it is what it is. Recap, bleaching cream, use that. Aloe vera gel, keep it moisturized. Vaseline, other moisturizers, you know, whatever works well with your skin. Just make sure it's not like an exfoliant, make sure it's not something aggressive, make sure it's not acidic, anything like that. Right now we're just healing. We're healing. Nothing with retinol in it right away. I think they recommend up to 7 days. Wait 7 days before you start using retinol again. Stay out of the sun. Use sunscreen. Thank you for tuning in. If you do like this content and you get anything out of it, please subscribe, like my channel. It's new. You'll be doing me a huge favor. You'll be doing other people who want to heal their acne scars a huge favor. It's good juju. Hit that like button so it gets boosted out there in the algorithm and they put my videos out. And more people can get this content that need it. More people who are suffering, humiliated, who are hiding, who are not living their lives because of their acne scars. With the worst insecurities and the worst fears and holding back and hiding in the dark, literally avoiding rooms with light. I'm over it. I don't know about you, but I'm doing something about it. I am all out assaulting this. Whatever. It's worth a shot. And if all else fails, phenol peel, baby. Phenol peel. I will find somebody who will do it, and I will go pay a couple grand, and I will get a phenol peel. And I'll hide like a recluse in here and hibernate for months. I don't care. All right, thank you for tuning in. You stay frosty. Don't do anything Jesus wouldn't do. I will see you on the next one.